I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Changing your SIM card can be a bit tricky, but with the right steps, you can do it without losing your service. Here is how to make the switch smoothly. Step 1. Prepare your new SIM card. Before activation, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the eSIM compatibility checker and confirm that your device and carrier are supported. Step 2. Backup your data. Before you swap SIM cards, back up your contacts and any important data. You can use cloud services or transfer them to your device storage. Step 3. Power off your device. Turn off your phone to avoid any potential damage or data loss during the SIM card change. This is a crucial step that many forget. Step 4. Remove the old SIM card. Locate the SIM card tray on your device, usually found on the side. Use SIM eject tool or a paperclip to pop it open, then carefully remove the old SIM card. Step 5. Insert the new SIM card. Place the new SIM card into the tray, ensuring it is aligned correctly. Slide the tray back into the device and power it on. Check for signal and functionality. If your phone doesn't recognize the new SIM, try restarting it again. Sometimes it takes a moment for the device to register the change. I hope this helps you switch your SIM without any hassle. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.